Such University. I am from CS Department Section B2 and my registration number is FA20 BCS082. My topic of presentation is the cause of decline of Muslim and the rise of British. My main topic is divided into four subtopics, named as Muslim conquest in subcontinent, the decline of Muslims in subcontinent, the third one is the rise of Britisher, and the last one is reason for the decline in Muslim power in subcontinent. Firstly, I will discuss the conquest of Muslims in subcontinent. Muslim conquest in subcontinent started in 12th to 16th centuries. However, in the past time, Muslim conquest also included invasions into modern Afghanistan and Pakistan, and also Umayyad campaigns in India during Rajput Kingdom in 8th century. List of Muslim conquests start with the name of Mahmud Ghaznavi, the first ruler to hold the title Sultan. He was a person who preserved an ideological link to the Khilafatul Abbasiyya. He also invaded and plundered the large area of Punjab, Gujarat, starting from the Indus River. This all happened in 10th century. Ghaznavi's rule ended when Ghiyasuddin Muhammad captured Lahore and led the foundation of Muslim rule in India. In 1206, Bakhtiar Khilji conquered Bengal, which resulted in the innermost expansion of Islam at that time. The Ghauri's empire soon got involved in Delhi Sultanate ruled by Qutbuddin Aibak, who was founder of Mamluk dynasty. In the result, Islam spread across the most part of Indian subcontinent. Before rise of Mughal Empire, the one of most powerful empire that annexed almost all the ruling elites of whole South Asia, the Sur Empire. The Sur Empire that conquered large territories of northern part of India. After that, Babur led the foundation of Mughal Empire that was further enlarged by Akbar. Akbar gradually included all part of South Asia, but the zenith was reached in the end of 17th century, when reign under Emperor Aurangzeb witnessed full establishment of Islamic Sharia through Fatwa Alamgiri. Now I will describe that how Muslims were declined in subcontinent. The Mughal, who were dominating rulers of subcontinent, suffered massive decline in early 18th century when an unexpected invasion by Nadir Shah and Afsharid ruler. And this attack weakened the Mughal Empire, and that incident provided the golden opportunity to Maratha Empire, Sikh Empire, Nizams of Hyderabad, and some others to exercise control over regions of subcontinent. The real decline started when British landed in subcontinent. British landed in subcontinent in Surat on August 24, 1608. At that time, India had rich and recorded history in past 4,000 years to Indus Valley civilization in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. At that time, Britain had no indigenous language until 9th century, almost 3,000 years after India. This made European powers rush to Asia to get their own trade circuits, and thus they rushed toward Asia to get their own trading posts. The main important and highlighted issue for the declining of Muslims was the formation of East India Company. It was established in 1600 by a charter granted by Queen Elizabeth in 1600. It was founded by John Watt and George White for a trade with Asian nation. The British primarily traded in meat, silk, cotton, tea, opium, and indigo dye. Although British merchants also had shares in this joint stock company. Now I will try to explain briefly the highlighted topic, that is the rise of British. In this regard, East India Company played a vital role in the rise of British in India. East India Company enhanced that India was one big collection of provincial kingdom. So the company started the meddle in politics, and British started to see a steady rise in their fortune. The first biggest strike that dominated British in subcontinent was defeat of Nawab of Bengal, Sirajuddaulah, at the hands of Robert Clive in the Battle of Plassey in 1757. That was followed by Battle of Buxar in 1764, where Captain Munro defeated the joint forces of Qasim of Bengal, Shujaudaulah, and Mughal King Shah Alam II. These were the main highlighted reasons that play a vital role in the rise of British and weaken the Muslim establishment in the subcontinent. Now the next point is that what were the reasons for Muslim downfall? The fall of Mughal Empire was end of the Muslim rule. in subcontinent. This was a severe blow to the culture of history of Muslim India, was the degradation took place is no mystery. The reason for their downfall were under the deterioration of rulers' character. And the ruler's character was another phenomenal contributor to the downfall. The king and sultans like Altamash Balban, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad Tughlaq, Sikandar Lodi, Babur, Akbar, and Aurangzeb are competent, hard worker, and intelligent people who were well aware of the art of smooth sailing of the government. The remaining rulers were neither competent and had the highest value and nor had the highest values of the character. The courtiers and the noble of Mughal rulers of 17th and 18th century were not men of character and divided on ethnic and linguistic basis. Now, the second was the lack of military efficiency. Military efficiency was the hallmark of Muslim rule in India. The military, which is the earlier strong rulers carried on the conquest and extended the empire, had now become demoralized and insufficient. There was lack of discipline, cohesion, patriotism, and ignorance with the modern military welfare in army like the Britain. The military was also divided among the religious, linguistic, and ethnic bases. This was all from my side. I tried my best to convey my messages and my thoughts to you.